is your favorite animation movie? Heather, what is your favorite animation movie?
My favorite movie, animation movie is Shrek.
Oh, okay. David?
My favorite animation movie is Aladdin.
Okay. What is your favorite animation movie?
My favorite animation movie is The Lion King.
The Lion King. Okay, okay. Well, my favorite animation movie is Zootopia. Loved it. And I think we can redo the voices in Zootopia. So previously, your students would have worked on the sentences and would have practiced the sentences as a group. And here in this video, let's show you quickly the extract that we're going to use now.
Flash, flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too.
Hey, Flash, I'd love you to meet my friend.
Officer Judy Hopps, Z.P.D, how are you?
I am doing just
Fine.
as well as I can be.
Okay, so who wants to be the fox? Who wants to be the fox?
I want to be the fox, please.
Yeah, okay. Who wants to be the rabbit? Officer.
I want to be the rabbit.
Okay, Officer Judy. And who wants to be the sloth?
I want to be the first.
Your
A little
Flash.
slower.
I want to be the...
Oh, it's even slower. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a computer. Of course, this game you can do it with any movie extract you can find online or have. Well, we created one. The links to this video are in the description, so just look it up and use that if you want. In your classroom, you can use a laptop, you can use a big screen, you can even use a smartphone if you don't have anything else. It will work. So, let's watch it together, okay? Oh, go over there, guys. Let's watch it together and try to dub it, okay?
Okay.
So, let me put the sound on low, okay? Like, not too loud. And so you try to voice it over, okay? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Flash, flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too.
Hey, Flash, I'd love you to meet my friend.
Officer Judy Hopps, Z.P.D, how are you?
I am doing just fine as well as I can be.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Good job, guys, good job. Now a little tip. Flash, the sloth, speaks very slowly, but the others speak quite fast. So a little trick on that. On YouTube, don't hesitate to change the speed at which it goes. You can do that. Click on the little gear, and you can change the speed. 0.5 or 0.75 should work well, so it's easier for your kids to really voice over. Okay? We should voice over the whole movie. What do you think? Okay, come with me. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bye.